Got to the airport, the Orlando airport at 5 o'clock this morning. Our flight is at 6:50. If you do come to the Orlando airport, there is a tram, a monorail that you do need to make sure that you give yourself enough time. Security was about 20 minutes or so to get through, and they do have a canine that you do have to pass by. She is so beautiful. We just landed in Atlantic City. We are staying in the Chelsea Tower and afternoon walk on the Sky Bridge. You take the escalator down and this is your view you'll get looking into the casino. So we're going to go downstairs and see what else we can get into with the decorations. We are downstairs now. I just took an aerial view of this beautiful tree. We're going to go downstairs. I'll show you where you check in. We are now entering the quarter. There's a beautiful fountain. We did come in here to eat last Christmas time. We do come down here 2 times a year. One for Christmas to see all the decorations, and then in August to see the air show. It doesn't look like it's quite open yet. This is family style, so when you do come in here and eat, you're going to have a lot of food in front of you. And it is good to have a reservation because they fill up quick. They do have a happy hour. It's Monday through Friday, 3 to 6 at the bar. Oysters, rollatini, spinach artichoke dip, fried crabs, fried calamari, mussels, and garlic bread palm. So that is during the week, 3 to 6. And this is the entrance. Beautiful. Hi, welcome to Harris. We're coming through the front door. All these pretty decorations for Christmas. This tree here is turning. Then we have the teddy bears. So we're going to be going to all of the casinos here to see who has the best Christmas decorations. We are coming up on the Tipsy Elf Lounge. This is the Eden. And this opens at 7 o'clock tonight, so we will have to come back. Where'd you go? Walk around. So down here we have the poker room, the sports book, the concert venue, and restrooms. Okay, here's a Caesar show. It was Hook. We've seen that before. It's really good. here's the lounge. Seems a little else up there. And look at this tree here. Pretty neat, made of all bottles. Okay, we're back at 7 p.m. They opened. This is the Eating Lounge. So excited to be here. Check out the tree. I love it. There's a tree of bottles. Whoop, whoop. Here's the bar. And this is the Tipsy Elf bar.